water. I take showers and baths. Would you like to take a shower? This is water. Water. It's warm. Would you like to take a shower? See? It's water, Fritz.
You can put them down.
Water. Don't fight me, don't. No. It's water, Fritz. Water. No. Water. It's water. Water.
Maybe turn it off. Maybe it's too loud.
Okay, the water's off. It's water, Fritz. Take a bath. I'm not picking you. I'm not picking you up.
Oh, you keep putting your head in the...
See, Fritz, it's nice warm water.
This is Fritz's first bath with us.
And he's going crazy. It's okay. I'm sorry that you don't like this, but it's just what we have to do. No. I'm trying to rinse you off because I love you. Stop it. I'm not getting in your face. I'm washing your back.
Yeah, we're supposed to mist him, but I didn't think of getting that ready.
Where's the spray bottle?
I don't have a clean one that's just water. I have to get you one.
It's okay. You like it, Fritz? You like the water? You like that? Would you like some more water? I'm turning the water.
Oh, the shower? No, the water on.
Oh, no. I'm turning the water on, Fritz. This is the water. I'm making it a little
That's too
warmer.
fast, though. Put it down.
Why? I'm trying to fill it
You
up.
don't have to make it come full force, Eric.
Hi, buddy. Okay, I turned the water off so I can give you another bath. Over here, it's warmer. Come over here. Over here, it's warmer. Warmer. It's water, Fritz. Water. Water.
Okay, maybe back up and see what he does. Oh, we didn't think of giving him any toys or anything. Fritz, what are you going to do?
Go get me a toy, Fritz.
I don't know what toy to give him.
Okay, Fritz, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Hi, Fritz.
You want some toys? I'm shooting you with the water gun. You want to squeeze it and shoot me? Squeeze the ladybug. Bite it.
That squirts water.
Ooh. I know. You like it, Fritz? It's water. You like water? You like water like me? No. I turned the water off. Want to have a water war? This is a good, easy way to do it if you can't touch it.
Mm-hmm.
You're done?
That did sound like he's done. I'm done. That might be enough for the first time, because we don't want to make him cold.
No, he's not going to be cold. I just want to throw him. It seems to be cute. I mean, if he really didn't like it, he would really start trying to climb out. He's actually kind of almost liking it.
You getting used to the idea, Fritz?
It's just water. see, it's still Arick. Still Arick. You have any cup? I had a cup.
No, I don't want you to wrench them. You're just supposed to miss them. You're not supposed to soak them. You don't want them to get cold.
Okay, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we're done. You can
Okay,
come
you can
out.
be done.
Yep,
Done.
done.
Say done.
Okay, good boy, Fritz.
Say
Now-
thank you. Say thank you for my bath. Thank
No,
you.
no, you don't have to fly. I'm taking you home.
Arick, please let me be able to back up without.
Oh, Fritz took a bath, huh?
Yeah.
There you go, buddy.
Kinda.
Home, sweet home. You just took a bath, Fritz.
I'm wondering if he's
What do
going to
you
shake.
think? What do you think of that? You did for a second.
Good job. Well, I thought he might shake his feathers or something, but he's thirsty. Somehow he was in all that water and he's thirsty. That's funny, Fritz. You get out of your bath and you come have a drink of water? 74 degrees in here. Fritz's friends, the Molly babies, and Fritz, and George, the big goldfish. Wow, Fritz, you were really thirsty. Yeah. You like that shower bath? Huh. I thought you might spread your wings or puff out or try to clean yourself. You're just sitting there with your wet feathers? Yeah, say hello. Hello. Drinking some more. That's kind of funny, Fritz. Yeah, you have fresh water every day. You were in your cage before you took your bath. And you got it all wet, and now you're drinking like you haven't had water all day. All right, Fritz, bye-bye. Bye-bye.